I am utilizing the Bit Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bit Integration Dashboard. Create integrations. Search and select a trigger Gutena Forms. Now, click on the Fetch button. Go to your contact form site and fill it out to retrieve the Gutena Forms. Go back to your integration site. Here you can see that it has been successfully fetched. Set action. Search and select an action Autonomy. Connect to Autonomy. Autonomy connected successfully. Next. Choose a list. Choose a tag. Map the respective fields. Here are some advanced features in action and conditional logic. You can use it for your requirement. Next. Finish and save it. Let's submit a form. Submit the form. Now go to the Autonomy dashboard. Navigate to the contacts. You can see here that the data was successfully received in Autonomy. Thanks for watching.